from Tanzania, Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, the challenger, Charles Toto! From Ipugao Boxing Stable, ladies and gentlemen, the reigning and defending WBA Asia Super Bantamweight Champion, here is Paul Thomas Martin!
He is the more natural, he's the more versatile fighter entering into this fight.
Naka white trunks, ito pong si Carl Martin starting to fire.
Ramdam na si Carl James Martin dito sa laban na ito.
Tondo is coming off a loss to Dennis Mac. So he fights with 16 knockouts. Samantala, Charles Tondo with
Footwork. That's a good. You can see that Carl James Martin is looking to expose this one-dimensional attack coming from
for him to vary his attacks and go more.
ito na nga with jabs itong katawan. Ayun, makikita naman doon.
Right on cue, Carl James Martin going downstairs and then giving Charles Tondo something to think about. And then
Charles.
we begin round number 2. Martin versus our southpaw.
That's a good body shot there. Southpaw.
Yes.
It's similar to orthodox. Kinasa niya output. Ngayon, nasaktan niya sa James Martin.
That's a great 1-2 from Martin. The round on his back foot. Saan bumabot na ng 1-2. Etong si Charles Tondo scheduled for 10 rounds for WBA Asia Super Bantamweight. Against his offense with his jabs. Pagkatapos both boxers looking in great condition. Oh, that's right. There's a good right from Carl James Martin.
But still, he's living up to the Tondo name. But asserted himself in the fight. But that's a good.
Round number 4 begins between Carl James Martin and Charles Martin with 1-2. And ito po si Carl James Martin with his offense as he catches si Tondo.
It's only a one.
Nagagawa niyang mapaatras forward again.
It needs to at least vary his shots right now. And it was helpful in those last. And it's always good for aggressively. Siya dapat nasa driver's seat. It's just, he got shocked there.
Martin, that's another good body shot. Last 10 seconds of this round. As we begin round number 5. Fish for. As they may be, they appreciate that. Carl James Martin's offense there.
Nako.
Martin still in his eyes. Oh, that's a good left.
Favors Carl James Martin.
Find his moments dito sa round who can have the last say. This round number 5.
Nice right.
12 round. Round number 6 between Carl for the WBA Asia Super Bantamweight belt.
So far sa kanya lahat ng significant punches.
But that is what pedal. Ang ating dalawang boksingero.
That's a good one. Carl James Martin is back in the game.
Shot to the body. Another shot to the body. Tinatargetan ni Martin.
The first round.
From the very first round, right?
Martin knows. That's the vulnerability. Martin
There you
just
go.
on
The steering wheel of Charles Tondo's hands. Martin driving. Eto pong si Charles.
Martin has 15 seconds left. Less than 15 seconds. A dominant round by Carl.
And that came after etong si Charles Tondo seemingly had control of the fight. Let's see if from Carl James Martin. Double jab from Martin and then he goes to the body.
Carl James Martin on the attack right now. He has to sustain that. At least.
I-risk.
Oh, that's
Yung kanyang
the
that receiving end.
Kailangan bumato ni Charles Tondo to kasi
now-
alam din ni Carl James Martin the only way to
Tondo now seems to be very wary.
here in this round.
And here he is again on the ropes.
Ayun. If he hurts the body, the head will fall.
Right. Right. And that's a good left straight.
I'm a bit
Dito sa round number 8 if someone is going to get full control. That jab, if he continues to land that, will keep Carl James Martin. But Martin, eto, bumabato na naman sa katawan. That's a solid left.
Martin trying to go down again. That's a good uppercut there. Last 10 seconds, partner. More tactical round that we're seeing, but
Now in the 9th round.
ng round number 9. Martin with a
Sipan, itong si Carl James Martin. Martin stalking. I think he's determined, to fit.
he has a lot of time to finish it kung babalakin niya.
Tondo proving to be
That's a
a
good double. Oh, that's straight left hand from
customer here in the final minute of round number 9. We are heading into the final 20 seconds of round 9. Round number 10, mga kaibigan.
going back to the body again. That's by a hair lang yung distansya nila.
To the body, ito namang si Tondo going back to his jabs.
Pero partner, kahit sabihin natin
It somehow stops etong si Martin on his tracks.
napaka-loyal ni Carl James Martin sa round na ito do sa body punches.
Bumaba yung depensa nitong si Charles Tondo.
This is a dangerous round for Charles Tondo.
And now Martin is
Pansin mo medyo niluluwa ni Charles Tondo yung mouth guard niya. Siguro to get
some punches. Oh, he wants to finish this fight. Let's see if he can do that. Round number 11 is underway. Ito na naman yung magandang simula. Kanina sa round 10, nakita natin Martin with a relent. Solid left coming from Martin.
Nasaktan doon si Charles Tondo.
Iniinda niya yung body shot na yon from Carl James Martin.
That's where
Carl James Martin do. That's a good one too from Martin. An uppercut from the Filipino champs guard. Oh, what an instruction is being received. Carl James Martin laban kay Charles. We have seen more of his body work laban dito kay Charles. Gusto niyang bigyan ng ng magandang knockout itong
referee yung tinatanggal na ni Tondo yung mouth guard. At least.
Dito sa final minute ng round number 12.
Pero sa bawat kuha niya ng for Charles Tondo to go 12 rounds.
Against uling bahagi na po ng round number 12. Martin trying to put up one
with those hooks.
Offensive. So, looking for the finish in the dying seconds.
For your winner by unanimous decision and still the